I'm Abigail Tizon, the Membership Chair and Website Director for MREIA. Our benefits are designed to support and help you grow in your real estate investing business. Benefits such as monthly breakfast Q&A meetings, free access to all our monthly general meetings throughout the year, discounts to our all-day workshops that cover topics on financing, options, negotiation, and marketing, weekly motivation and advice to boost your knowledge in real estate, free membership to National Real Estate Investors Association, which includes their benefits and discounts to Home Depot, Office Depot, Riccardi Paints, Rent Perfect, and other vendors. And best of all, networking with local investors, lenders, contractors, real estate agents, and title officers. Become a member by signing up online at mreia.com/join. Membership is only $150 a year. To learn more, visit mreia.com. We hope to see you soon.